Hey guys, so what are you up to these days? Been off work, so I'm off work now, but I'm just going to put a video on from when the floods were, and we did some boarding out of floor that had rotted, so we're going to change some joists in and put some new boards down, a little day job. But don't you worry, I've just started a big extension a few weeks ago, and we've been filming that, so got quite a few videos coming on yet. But yeah, this is me at minute, just pottering about at home. So just making some potato boxes. Probably, I don't know whether I'm gonna have them at home or down at allotment. Maybe down at allotment if I've got time to go down there. I'll see if I can get on any potatoes to put in. But yeah, so I'll get this video on, and you can watch this one. A bit of a floor job, but don't worry, there's going to be a lot of bricklaying jobs coming up and stuff. Big 2-story extension. So yeah, I'll get that one to you later on in the week, or maybe probably Friday. So right, enjoy this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi guys, so today we're just going to switch a couple of these joists and put some new floorboards down. So we did this little job just after the floods, and it looks like it's had a lot of water in here. That's what's caused rot over years. Yeah. So I'm just doing a bit of a talk over in this one. So we're just cutting lip off boards so we can put new boards up against this, because this is where we're going to take the final board up to. These boards are really rotted. So we're just trimming these joists back to where they're not rotted. I think there's about 7 of them probably, I think we changed in this, and about 4 boards back there's a wall that's holding them up, so we're going to strip them back to what we're doing now, and then we're going to sit the new joists on the wall. Yeah, it's a council house, but it's put into buy it, and because we've put in to buy it now, they won't fix it. Yeah, so what we're just telling my dad is, the owner of the house has put in to buy the house, so it's going through with the payment and stuff, and they've had this hole in the floor here, and they've tried to get the council to fix it, and obviously because they're buying it they won't fix it, so that's why we're here. So we're just making these pocket holes bigger because the new woods aren't going to go in line with the old wood, so we need to put an hole at the side of it because we're putting the joist at the side of the other joist, so that's why we're smashing this out now. So if you want to know about what I'm doing now, I'm at home now, so no work for me. We ran out of materials at end, but what I did do before we did end is I started a new job on an extension, which I've got a few videos on that before I run out of videos. So the next video will be on a new extension, big 2-story one. So I look forward to getting those videos sorted out. So this is underneath the floor, so that's the wall that we're talking about. So new joists are going to sit on that, and then on the other side that's the holes that we've just made, so we'll slide into them.
Anything out under it?
Tiny bit. So what we're doing is we're just using plastic packers to wedge them up with, and then I've got some expanding foam. We're just going to bob some foam on them, then if the joists contract a bit and expand a bit, all the foam will hold the packers in and stop them sliding out. And we're also going to cement the holes in because they're a bit big at the minute, so we're going to cement them in as well. So that's it, we're done. Early finish. So that's it guys, just a little video for you. We've had a good day today. Apart from I just whacked my son earlier with a piece of wood there, and I think I done his side earlier. Yeah. Which is stinging a bit. But apart from that, it's been a great day. Dog's fast on there. So we're just getting ready to head off home. So I'll see you in the next one guys.